Digging deep with the whole song, it sounded like, my good sir. Is it the USB or the faceplate?
Oh, why is it doing that?
Ladies and gentlemen, it is time. It's time to kick ass.
Rock the beat.
People probably remember your face from that beautiful blue truck. Hey man, you're gonna give us a little demo, huh? Now, what did you have then and what do you have now?
I had 6 TXL 12s, so now I got 12 DDX 12s on 3 4500s. It's just a 4th order. We're thinking about changing it up and trying a 6 order.
So take out the back layer of subs and then add a port?
Either that or take a sub out or 2 subs out and do air port. I don't want a monster sub, so I want with a compact budget sub.
Is everything in here Skar?
The whole truck's complete Skar besides the mids amp. I'm putting more power, needs more power. I got 2 more amps I'm at. Play it all day. I love it.
Digging deep with the whole song, it sounded like, my good sir. I don't know about you guys, but I think it's pretty cool seeing older dudes jamming out like crazy. Just goes to show that not just high schoolers and college kids enjoy all this stuff. It's people like you, me, and Wayne here who enjoy it the most. And believe me, 20 years from now, that is my goal. Gray beard, all smiles, with a huge stereo system right behind my head. Up next, we'll highlight a little segment that didn't go quite as planned. Our buddy Ryan Collins was just about to get things heated up when we had to cut the demo short. Unfortunately, it just started out as a small technical difficulty, but by day 2, holy crap, triple joints were a-flying. It's not terribly bad for several years of playtime on those cool-looking subs he had, but let's see what he has to say about it.
I've had these subs for about 3 years. We bought them as new old stock, so I've had 7 of them. I've been playing these same subs for 3 years. We tried 4th, and then you can see where we changed it to a 6th, and it just, they come alive and a whole lot better results. 2 Crossfire 1.5 case, Group 31, yep, 4 Group 31s, that's it.
I know you're gonna dig this.
It's time. Is it the USB or the faceplate?
USB. I think it's the faceplate. Because I got the... Oh,
Sunbird!
Why is it doing that?
So those are the subs that were up in your wall the other, yesterday?
Yeah.
Wow. So what had happened from yesterday till now?
Triple joint broke.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Show everybody on YouTube right down there, right?
Yep.
So that's where the tinsel leads meet the former, meets the cone, the triple joint. Even though it is a bummer that his subs broke loose and had to cut the demo short, it's all part of the fun and games. Stuff like that happens all the time and you just gotta roll with it. So now we'll turn back the clock to 2016 and hop inside Carlos's truck down at Spring Break Nationals. Good old Daytona Beach was always good for some bass demos, so let's wrap up the video with a freshie from back then. What's your name, dude?
Carlos?
Carlos?
Yeah.
All right, coming in strong with Carlos's truck here. I heard he's got about 10K on the subs right here in this truck box. Ampere Audio 5,000 watt amplifiers. Wired up to about half ohm, he said? Or wait, you didn't even say that yet.
No, probably about 1 ohm.
About 1 ohm, okay. Oh, holy. You got that octo port goodness. Flush with the box. 4 Ampere Audio 3.0s. And some crazy door panels right there with those PRVs. You're definitely a prospect. They're gonna take you on no problem, man.
Show them your shirt.
Check it out. McSickle that little, see how long your port is? I'd say about 10 inches or so.
Probably.
Nice, man. Good job on the box. Who said you did it?
Aaron Dunkel.
Aaron Dunkel, the man himself.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Sounding good over here at SBN 2. Let me go up here. SBN 2016. I'm so bad, dude. All right, Carlos, thank you so much for the demo, my man.
Oh, yeah.
I'll see you guys soon. Wah! Well, there we have it, guys. 3 more solid sound and systems in the books for your YouTube viewing pleasure. I hope you enjoyed these 3 series of demos. Let me know what you like seeing most. Do you like seeing the big, huge, like phenomenal installs, or do you like seeing a mix and match of the little guys mixed with the big guys and the crazy extreme guys? Let me know what you find most enjoyable. And speaking of enjoyable, holy crap, I got the biggest surprise from a fellow patron the other day when he proposed taking some of my clips that I filmed and throwing his little editing touch on it. And oh my gosh, I enjoyed it so dang much. This guy's a freaking professional. Even though I was filming the demos, I was like, holy crap, is this my video? So I'm gonna share that with you guys because I was just absolutely blown away. TheCarAudioGuy over there from the UK. I met him in person, but holy crap, getting that email of those clips of just everything that he did, the editing, the text work, and the bass demo was just phenomenal. I'm going to share that with you guys, hopefully sometime next week. He's putting the final touches on all of the editing, and oh my gosh, I know you guys are gonna enjoy that. I was blown away. I couldn't even believe that I was the person behind the camera. That's how crazy it was. Let me know what you think of that. I cannot wait. The Car Audio Guy came through in the clutch, and he told me if this works out well, he wants to do it more than once. So we'll be able to give him some good support on his channel, check out his videos, and make it the best bang for the buck, because I am so head over heels just in love with the video that he put together. The narration, the filming, oh my gosh. Stay tuned next week, guys. Lots to look forward to. And of course, you can see my big build over there. We've made a little bit more progress with that, so stay tuned. It's all gonna be falling in, you know, one bit at a time, but I'm just one guy over here working as hard as I can. So thank you guys for understanding and having patience as we come through all these big projects. Holy crap. Until the next time, stay tuned, and the subwoofer giveaway is going to be announced sometime before this weekend. A full 3 weeks is about enough that I need to let all the viewers check out and participate. So until the next video, this is EXO feeling on top of the world over here. Can't wait to show you guys the new Car Audio Guy project. All right, I will talk to you in the next one.